Mass leaves this universe and turns into speed of light photons. When electron and positron annihilate, they turn into two photons. When electron and positron, that are mirror wave images of each other, annihilate in destructive interference, they turn into two photons. When electron and positron, that have mass, annihilate into two photons, which is pure energy, they make a massive transformation. Not out of this world, but out of this universe. The electron and positron leave mass, space, and time behind and turn into photon energy that has no mass and is outside of space and outside of time. Yes, most don't believe this, but Google it for many articles why Einstein was correct, or see quote at the end of this post. That means that mass instantly, completely transforms into energy that goes the speed of light and leaves time. So look at the drawing. On the left are a separate electron and positron that come together, annihilate, and instantly cross over to the speed of light. Mass transforms to pure energy that's outside of space and time. But how is this transformation done? Surely if we can understand how it's done, we have a clue to how the Big Bang may have started as a subset of the eternal photon singularity. Questions to ask next. How can the mass of electron and positron annihilate into energy that is instantly no mass, no time, no space? How can eternal photons enter and exist in a universe of time and space? Wouldn't that suggest a period of time? Could it be that electrons and positrons are different versions of photons? Could it be that electrons and positrons are converted photons that when they enter space-time, transform to have mass, time, and energy? At what point in the transformation does mass leave this universe, time, and space? How does this transformation happen? Quote from Michelle Thaler. One of the things that you really have to realize is that the speed of light is very, very special. It's not just simply a speed of something moving through space. As you go faster and faster and closer to the speed of light, time itself begins to slow down and space begins to contract. As you go close to the speed of light, the entire universe becomes smaller and smaller until it basically just becomes a single point when you're going at the speed of light. And time, as you go closer to the speed of light, gets slower and slower until basically time is a single point at the speed of light. Light does not experience space or time. It's not just a speed going through something. All of the universe shifts around this constant, the speed of light. Time and space itself stop when you go that speed. Michelle Thaler. That point, reference to, I call the dimensionless point, or DIMP, DIMP.